Underestimate a silent Gemini and you'll be surprised. Silence is their strategy, not weakness. Most people never realize what's really happening until it's too late. Stay with me, because I am about to show you the 3 hidden consequences of underestimating a Gemini's silence. Thousands of Geminis describe silence as their sharpest weapon. Psychology even backs this up. Strategic silence mirrors deterrence theory. Remove rewards and behavior changes. But with Geminis, it's not about punishment. It's about intelligence, evidence, and self-preservation. When a Gemini goes quiet, they aren't disengaged. They're observing, cataloging, storing evidence for later decisions. The mistake people make is thinking silence means surrender. In reality, silence is resource management. Every word withheld is information harvested. And here's where it gets powerful. The consequences don't show all at once. They unfold in stages. The first shift is subtle. Shared jokes vanish. Late night talks stop. The emotional warmth that made you feel close begins to cool. This isn't revenge, it's recalibration. They're testing whether your behavior deserves their mental energy. If you've ever felt that sudden drop in warmth from a Gemini, let me know in the comments. You're not imagining it. Weeks or months later, you'll notice fewer secrets and confidences. They stop telling you their big plans. They stop looping you into the conversations that matter. This erosion of trust is invisible to outsiders, but devastating to intimacy. And by the time you notice, the distance is already built. But the final stage is the one nobody sees coming, and it hits the hardest. At the long horizon, the Gemini may quietly withdraw advocacy. They stop defending you in rooms you aren't in. They no longer reference your contributions. And at your moment of greatest need, they may not be there at all. The punishment isn't loud. It's the absence of support when you need it most. Have you ever underestimated someone's silence, only to realize later they were gone when it mattered? Share your story. You'll help others recognize the pattern. If you've underestimated a Gemini and want to repair, there is a path. Step 1. Show up consistently. Silence makes them track patterns. Step 2. Apologize precisely. Vague apologies mean nothing. Step 3. Prove change on a timeline. Consistency over weeks or months is the only currency they trust after silence. And here's the twist. The longer you wait to repair, the higher the cost. So the consequence of underestimating a silent Gemini is never a dramatic explosion. It's a slow, deliberate withdrawal across time. Immediate loss of warmth, medium-term erosion of trust, long-term invisibility, and exit. Silence isn't weakness. It's their most strategic move. If this opened your eyes to the hidden psychology of Geminis, subscribe now. And don't to miss next week's video. I'll reveal exactly why Geminis weaponize silence in relationships and how to stop it from destroying trust. Silence isn't emptiness, it's evidence being written.